Jai Gurudev. Today I am going to talk about what is education, what is knowledge, and what is wisdom. So, education is the system of giving the knowledge, the system through which someone is going to give or gain the knowledge. Right? And what is knowledge? Whatever the subject he has learned through the system of education is his knowledge. And what is wisdom? The knowledge which someone has gained through the system of education is said to be his wisdom. Right? So now, what is going on today? Today's education system, through which we are all gaining the knowledge. The system is totally upset. We are not gaining the full knowledge what we are supposed to gain. What is that system? The system is giving us only the objective knowledge. Objective knowledge. We are lacking of subjective knowledge. Got it? Knowledge means it must be full. You must learn the subjective as well as objective. But today, we are losing this subjective aspect of knowledge. Then, what we are getting? We are getting only half knowledge. 50% of subjective knowledge is lacking. Only 50% of objective knowledge is gaining. What is the subjective knowledge? Subjective knowledge is nothing but the sap in a flower. Sap in a flower. If you take a rose flower with a stem, so you are just feeling that and explaining that with this system. Yes, this is the rose flower having green leaves, red petals, having wonderful fragrance. So you are explaining about the rose on the outer level. So what we are lacking? You have to experience, you have to see, you have to cognize the inner self, how these petals have come out, how the flower has become the red, yellow, whatever, how the leaves are green, from where all these manifestations are coming out. You must have to have that knowledge. And that subjective knowledge is nothing but that is in your consciousness level. That's always been saying, I'm always been insisting, the knowledge is structured in consciousness. After that, when you come out, you just go through this subjective, objective knowledge. So then, what we are gaining, what the knowledge that we are gaining with this system of education? The system of education is only on the objective level. So our knowledge is also on the level of objective. That means we are gaining only the 50% of knowledge, not the 100% of knowledge. So that's why the wisdom what we are having finally, it is not 100% of wisdom. We are having only 50% of wisdom. With that 50%, we are getting lot of failures in our life. We are not living our lives with fulfillment, with full potentiality of our life. That's why we are facing a lot of problems, failures, unhappiness, disgustance, stressful, diseases. That's why the system, the persons who are making the system of education, they must have to introduce subjective as well as objective knowledge. Then you will be gaining the full potential of knowledge, total knowledge. Then you will be said to be the wise person, full wise persons. All the wise persons nowadays, they are not totally wise persons, they are only the half. If they would have been utilized this 100% of mental potentiality, what they cannot do. I agree with this 50% of mental potentiality, people are doing so many things, but when they utilize this 100% of mental potentiality, then what not they gain, what not they achieve. That's why I am always been insisting the persons who are making the system of education, they must deeply think about this, please. You may ask, what is that? That is nothing, very simple. Make the persons who are gaining this knowledge, introduce this subjective aspect of knowledge. That is nothing but the meditation yoga. Because in this subjective knowledge, your mind is going into the deep and touching that full potentiality of creative intelligence, full potential of unified field technology, full potential of unbounded awareness, totality. Then when they will be coming out, they are gaining that potentiality. Now introduce the objective knowledge. Then they will start understanding fully what you are teaching, what you are telling. That's what. Then the knowledge is said to be comprehended, total, full, unbounded. When he is having this unbounded knowledge, he will be said to be total wisdom. Nothing is impossible to that person who is having full potentiality. That is the 50% of subjective knowledge, 50% of objective knowledge, 100% of mental potentiality. That's why I request the great personalities who are making this education system, please think about this, work about this, introduce subjective aspect as well as objective aspect. It's nothing. Subjective aspect is very simple, but we are forgetting, and that is the 50% of mental potentiality. The subjective aspect is. Make the student, make the scholars in the universities sit for 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the evening. Close their eyes and have a technique. There are so many professors are there are so many expertises are there to teach this subjective aspect of knowledge. Ask them to practice. It's nothing. Morning to evening you are just giving the subjective knowledge. Just spare 20 minutes or 30 minutes for this meditation. Don't think this is This is very, very essential for each and every person who are going to gain the knowledge. This is a system, sir. You just make it. It's not a difficult one. Why don't you think about this? The entire national level, just introduce this and see the results, how would it be. In olden days, our Gurukulas used to teach this. When a student is entering into the Gurukul, the Acharya is used to teach him the subjective aspect. Come on, go there. Go into the deeper level. Go into the total knowledge. Experience it and come out. Then they used to teach about physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, economics, whatnot, all subjects. Then the child, the student, the scholar will totally absorbing it, experience it, enjoying it. And that makes him self-sufficient. Self-sufficient. They never look about this jobs. They always think about how to make themselves depend on themselves. They start their own. They create their own. Then the government will be very happy. Searching for the jobs, so many jobs. From where the government will bring all those jobs? So it will be very easy to the government when all these full potential personalities going for their self-sufficiency, they will be just producing the things for the nation. They will be just bringing the economy to the nation. So that's why please think about this. Full potential of system. Education system must be like this. Not what is happening 24 hours, putting. Half knowledge. Students are disgusted. Some of them getting suicide. Not interested to learn. Parents are forcing them. They are not interested in education. There is no enjoyment in the education for them. So that's why please think about my few words. If possible, adopt this 100% of education system. Jai Guru.